Holy, guys, what is up, people? And today we're gonna watch the outside. Have to deal with the rain. Golly, if you look at the road, it's like flooding. Yeah, that is insane. Guys, leave me down in the comment section if you hear the lightning. We'll see the lightning and hear the thunder. Okay, that you guys had to have heard. That was you guys had to have saw that and heard that. That was a big light. That was a lot of lightning, and that was a loud thunder. Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to Alexander Stucking and Kimberly Rowland, go to subscribe to them. And when my brother turns 7, on his birthday, turning 7, which is his birthday's on April 20th, and he's going to be turning 7 in 3 years. So in 3 years, on April 20th, you guys have to keep watching out for a new channel called The Aidenator, because he's going to be a YouTuber by then. And if you guys haven't seen the video my brother made on my channel, well, he hasn't really made a video, but he's going to, so, and he's going to make it about after this storm is over. If you guys haven't seen the video, well, if you guys are going to see the video, tell me, and I hope you like my channel and like to subscribe. If you guys don't like watching outside and watching the storm and everything, if you guys saw that, I just looked at the camera and saw it. And yes, guys, if you guys haven't seen Jacksepticeye and Weeshu, you should definitely go see them. They are two couple, Jacksepticeye and Weeshu, and they are a cute couple. And then please subscribe. Obviously, subscribe to Weeshu. She only has like, I'd say in a matter of like 288 subscribers. Well, 288,000 subscribers. She's got the metal play button, obviously. Jacksepticeye has like 15 million subscribers. And he's already got the metal play button, golden play button, diamond play button, and also the platinum. Also subscribe to PewDiePie, even though he has like 54 million subscribers. I know he has enough, but please subscribe to him. One, because he needs the next play button, and he's already got the ruby one, which is technically the normal play button. Oh yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. But you guys are gonna listen to everything around the house and watch the storm, I guess. Sorry for the 6. You're probably gonna watch the the storm for like until 5 minutes. And sorry for a 7-minute video. I know it's cruel, but oh wait, I gotta go pee, so I'll see you guys in a little bit, I guess. Don't get bored of just watching the storm. Getting storms on tape will actually get you more subscribers and make you famous, so that's exactly why I'm recording this storm. Hope you guys like watching the storm, and I'll see you guys at 6 minutes. I'm back. I know that was pretty fast. I was expecting that by 6 minutes, but I didn't. But if you guys liked watching the storm and saw any lightning and thunder while I was gone, you guys don't. And I don't want to tell you guys what I was doing. Yeah, I would be soaked in like the next 2 minutes if I was out there. I'm like probably less than a minute. I'd be soaked. Because if you haven't seen my video on my mom's channel, Kimberly, called Kimberly Boland. Kimberly, if you guys know how to spell, like you have to type in Kimberly and then type in the name Voland, which is on my channel name called The Voland. You have to type in Voland. That's weird. Sort of crackly. Was that hail? But also, yeah. If you guys haven't seen the video I made called Tornado Watch, we went to the doctors for my mom. If you look way up ahead, you can see that there's like dark clouds, and that's actually a tornado watch coming in. It's pretty insane. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. One more thing. Let's see if we can beat PewDiePie. Peace.